Hey, good morning or good day, wherever you happen to be at. My name is Trent Howerton with North Carolina Insurance Insights. If you found my channel, thank you so much for finding it, for watching my videos, whatever. Please like, share, follow, all those things. I like to tell everybody up front and foremost, there's no glitz, no glam, no breakaway videos, no drum rolls, and none of that stuff. You get me, you get what you hear. I'm in my home. It's uncut, it's unedited video, and it's just for you. Today, I got a question from a client that I get all the time, and every single time I get this question, I'm like, man, I need to make a video on this, and I never remember to do it. So I know the thing back there says 18th or whatever. It's not. I'm just lazy. I haven't changed the thing. Today's the 21st. Um, the question is, if I get a speeding ticket, you know where I'm going with this? If I get a speeding ticket, how much does my insurance go up? It's a good question. The problem with answering it is no one can definitively tell you, hey, yeah, you got your speeding ticket, it's $20. That's not how that works. Each carrier is different. Each company is going to have their own percentage that they tie to the increase in premium. Some it's 10, some it's 15, some it's somewhere in between. Best advice I can give you is if you're with or whatever carrier you're with, get on their website. It may be posted on there somewhere. Call your agent if you have one. If you don't have an agent, get one. We're way better than calling 1-800 numbers, and we're way better than using an app that doesn't know you or care about you at all. All right, so get a hold of somebody and ask, and they can help you out. I want to give you some factors and some thoughts to think about as you go down this road of figuring out your first ticket. Is this your first offense? How's your driving record look otherwise? Do you have accidents? Did you back into a parking sign, or rear end someone, or bang doors, or whatever? How fast were you going over the speed limit? Did you get busted for 40 and a 35 or 85 and a 65? There's two huge differences, right? Where did the speeding take place? In the city, out in the county, in the country, or on the highway? Those things matter. And how long has it been since your last moving violation, if you've had another one? Here's the deal with insurance companies. They can surcharge you for everything that's happened negatively in the last 3 years, right? So the day you took out your policy, subtract 3 years back, any kind of moving violation, parking tickets, accidents that you've been involved in, all of those things are going to be surchargeable for the 3 years prior to you taking out your policy. Now, they can see 5 years back in North Carolina. They can see 5 years back. They just can only surcharge the first 3. But the total 5 years plays into what your premium is going to look like. There was one other thing. All right. When does the insurance go up? That differs as well. Some companies can apply it the next billing cycle. Most, the ones that I work with, it will happen at renewal, right? Because that's the way that the contract is structured. You sign a contract to pay a specific amount of premium for a specific amount of coverage that lasts over a given amount of time. At renewal, when something changes, it'll be applied. Now, that's not the same as when you add a vehicle or subtract a vehicle, right? Because now you're changing the functioning pieces within the contract. If the original contract had 2 cars and then halfway through you got rid of one, obviously they're not going to continue to charge you for both because the risk went down. The property that they're covering went down. So again, call your agent. But that's it. I'm sorry that there's not a definitive answer the $20 thing. But the reality is, try your best not to get a speeding ticket. If you get the speeding ticket, do your best to I don't want to say get out of it, but do your best to work around it, especially if it's your first one and you've been driving for years and years and years. It might be worth, getting yourself a lawyer or going to see the magistrate and having that conversation. Look, it was a one-time thing, whatever the case is, and hopefully they give you a little break on it. This fellow back here, his name is Chad, by the way. My girl's named him Chad. It's a huge cow. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hit that like and follow and share this stuff for me. See ya.